Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a super quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, looking like we are coming back down now and continuing to retrace to the downside. You can see in this area here pretty much what's been going on. We've had a very nice move to the upside for Polygon, but it looks as though we've kind of lost this trend line area of this uptrend, haven't we? And really what's looking like to me what's happening right now is that we've come back into this area of structure here, where we're currently finding a little bit of support today, but obviously continuing to roll to the downside. But what it looks like has happened is we've come down here into the 618. We've tried to bounce as support, but we've retested as resistance there, as you can see, and now looking like we might be heading to the downside. You can see these EMAs as well, the 55 right now trying to hold as support. But once we dove down below the 20 EMA here, we did start to lose support. So you can see every single time that we have come down to the 20 EMA on this move to the upside here, we have had a bounce to the upside, but once we lost it here, we've obviously come down right now, consolidating between these 2 points, and we're basically on that kind of decision area right now, aren't we? Do we roll here and come back down towards the 050, which is probably going to be the next target in reality, or this previous swing high down here, or do we bounce and get back above the 20 moving average and above the 0618 here and continue to the upside? It really does depend, in my opinion, on what Bitcoin does. And right now, Bitcoin looking like potentially it could be looking at having a bit of a retracement. If we take a quick look at the chart, we'll be able to discern what's going on here. You can see Bitcoin having a little bit of a rollover, which made complete sense in my opinion, considering this bearish divergence that we did see here. Obviously, we've been kind of just bouncing between these two levels, this previous 023 Fibonacci level and the top of that overall range that Bitcoin was in before. You can see rejected here 5 days in a row, and then we've rolled back to support, which makes total sense really. Forming a little bit, you know, you'd say a little bit of a channel like this that we have been bouncing in and around over the past few months. But you can see with Polygon just following Bitcoin down right now and waiting to see what happens next. So really not that much to say other than that. I do think we're probably going to see ourselves coming back down towards this kind of area here, and in my opinion that's probably going to be the next move for Polygon. As I said, the way I'm trading this, I've been averaging into a position at these key levels, currently in a decent little long with an average entry of around this area here, and I will be adding to this position if we do come down towards these lower levels. So that is it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord along with me. I'll be hanging out in there most days along with other investors, so if you do want to support the channel, that would be a good way to do so, and I'll see you in the next video.